In Vedic astrology, the 9 planets, that is the Navagraha, significantly influence the various aspects of the human life, including personality, relationship, career, and overall well-being. Each planet is associated with the specific qualities and the characteristics, and their position in an individual birth chart determines the impact they have on their life. Total 9 planets. First is the Sun. Sun is I am. Moon is I feel. Mercury is I think. Mars is I act. Venus is I love. Jupiter is I grow. Saturn I achieve. Uranus I evolve. Neptune I dream. Pluto I empire. First we'll see the Venus. Venus governs love, beauty, harmony, and relationship, while Jupiter represents expansion, luck, wisdom, and abundance. Venus is associated with the pleasure, wealth, and attraction, impacting aesthetic and one relationship with the material possession. Love and relation. Venus governs your capacity for the affection, romantic inclinations, and the quality of your relationship. Venus is also governs with the beauty and aesthetics. It influences your appreciation for the beauty, art, fashion, and the finer things in life. Venus also influences your wealth and harmony. Venus reflects your personal wealth, what we find pleasurable, and our need for the balance and harmony in our life. Second is the Jupiter. Jupiter, on the other hand, brings opportunities, success, and a sense of optimism, influencing areas like the education, law, and spirituality. Venus also play a role in your relationship with money and how we approach financial matters. Planet Jupiter. What planet Jupiter do? Expansion and abundance. Jupiter is associated with the luck, fortune, growth, and prosperity. Wisdom and knowledge. It represents intellectual persist, higher learning, and a deep understanding of the world. Optimism and growth. Jupiter encourages a positive outlook and a desire for the personal development. Spiritual exploration. It also connects to spirituality, philosophy, and a search for meaning in life. Planet Sun. The Sun and Moon, fundamental roles in shaping the personality and the life path. The Sun represents core identity, ego, and a conscious self, while the Moon governs emotion, insights, and the inner world. The Sun highlights how an individual expresses themselves outwardly, while the Moon illuminates the emotional landscape and what makes them feel secure. First, we'll see the Sun. Sun, core identity and ego. The Sun sign reflects one fundamental identity, ego, and how they express their true self to the world. Life purpose and passion. It represents the core of an individual's life, purpose, passion, and where they shine most naturally. Willpower and leadership. The sign Sun also highlights an individual willpower, leadership qualities, and how they approach situation and determination. Planet Moon. Planet Moon, emotions and the inner world. The Moon governs emotion and how an individual experiences comfort and security. Inner self and subconscious. It reveals what makes them feel nurtured, connected, and reflects their deepest desire, thoughts, and fears. Emotional intuitions and response. The Moon influences how an individual possesses feeling, respond to their surrounding, and the experiences emotional connection. The Sun illuminates the self-conscious, that is the consciousness, while the Moon enumerates the emotional landscape, both playing crucial role in shaping a personality. Planet Mars and Mercury. Mars and Mercury represent distinct yet interconnected facts of an individual personality and life. Mars embodies action, energy, intentiveness, and assertiveness, while Mercury signifies intelligence, communication, and adaptability. When these two planets interact, their combined influence can manifest in various ways, impacting areas like the communication, decision making, and overall approach to life. First, we will see the Mars planet. Mars, action and energy. Mars is associated with the driving force, ambition, and the willingness to take initiative. Courage and assertiveness. It represents courage, assertiveness, and ability to stand up for oneself. Aggression and willpower. Mars can also manifest an aggression, willpower, and the ability to overcome obstacles. Planet Mercury, intelligence and communication. Mercury governs intellect, learning, communication skills, and adaptability. Logic and adaptability. It represents logical thinking, adaptability, and the ability to learn and process information quickly. Speech and writing. Mercury is closely associated with the verbal and the written communication. Mars and Mercury interaction in your Kundalini. Sharp mind and persuasive communication. A conjunction of the Mars and Mercury can result in a sharp mind, persuasive communication skills, and ability to express oneself with clarity and conviction. Aggressive communication. However, a negative influence of the Mars on the Mercury can lead to aggressive communication, influensiveness, and a lack of tact. Saturn and Mercury. Saturn and Mercury are distinct poles, and their conjunctions or aspects can influence various aspects of life. Saturn, the planet of discipline, structure, and responsibility, represent hard work, limitations, and the karmic lessons. Mercury, the planet of the communication, intelligence, and the adaptability, governs how we think, learn, and express ourselves. When Saturn and Mercury connected in a birth chart, it can bring a serious and analytical approach to think, learning, and communication. Individuals may have strong analytical skills and a methodological way of solving problems. They might be good at declined work, research, and analysis, and may have a preference for clarity and precision in communication. Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu are also known as the North and South lunar nodes, are powerful shadow planets that significantly influence an individual's life and destiny through karma and spiritual growth. Rahu represents material desires and ambition, while Ketu symbols detachment, spirituality, and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Their replacement or the placement in a birth chart can lead to both positive and negative effect depending on their strength and the house they occupy. What planet Rahu do? Represent material desires, worldly pursuit, and ambition. It can lead a strong aspiration and a desire for the success and a tendency to be driven by the worldly goals. However, Rahu can also cause illusions and lack of direction if not properly balanced. Ketu. Ketu symbols detachment, spirituality, and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. It represents a desire for spiritual awakening and a detachment from the worldly attachment and a focus on inner growth and introspection. Ketu can also lead to isolation, a sense of dissatisfaction, or a lack of connection with the material world if not properly balanced. Rahu and Ketu has a past life karmas. Rahu and Ketu are believed to influence an individual karma and the past life experiences impacting their current life journey and the challenges they face. The placement in the birth chart can reveal an individual's strength, weakness, and the areas of the life where they may need to focus on self-improvement and growth. Rahu and Ketu always appear in the opposite houses in the birth chart, representing the dualistic nature of human experience or human existence. They work together to guide individuals towards the spiritual growth by prompting them to negative the challenges and the lessons of the material world, while also encouraging detachment and spiritual awareness. These are the planets and how they work. how it impact on your life according to astrology.